Hey, pretty excited here at the Heavy Metal Homestead. This came in the mail today from Baker Creek. They've got organic seeds, been using them for years. Pretty freaking psyched about this order here. Open it up and see what we got. Oh, all sorts of goodies. Yeah. We got our corn, our watermelon, lettuce, all sorts of cool stuff here. Yeah. Baker Creek heirloom seeds. Check them out. Well, battery died, so that kind of sucked, but it gave me a few minutes to lay all this stuff out, and yeah, it's not as cool as going through my record collection, but growing your own food is one of the most rebellious acts you can do right now, so this is actually pretty rad. We got our corn, beans, and squash. Standard stuff, peppers, lettuce blend, broccoli, amaranth, carrots, all sorts of stuff. They throw in some free seeds. Got these nice tomatoes here. Some cosmos, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. That's pretty funny. But free kale. That's freaking rad. Also, growing food for your animals. That's another reason. But these are a good thing. So I'm gonna stick all these in this nice big jar here that seals and put them somewhere nice and cool and dry so that they keep for a good long time. And yeah, we'll be doing some planting as soon as the snow outside actually melts and stops coming back. Alright, see you. Only the most metal eggs here at the farm. Pretty black, sort of a green tint, but these are laid by Cayuga ducks. They're pretty damn metal.